Senator Judge Pia Cayetano is recognized for her interjections or intervention. Proceed, ma'am, when you are ready, and you have 2 minutes.
For the prosecution, do you consider Las Canas an important witness for you, for the prosecution?
With all due respect, Your Honor, the purpose of the testimony is to present what transpired during the investigation special task force. As to whether or not what probative value it holds, it's not part actually of the decision of prosecution, as what we are intending to do is to present only what happened during the investigation of the NBI, Your Honor.
Mr. Presiding Officer, evidence are very clear. You either present witness who provides your testimony or you present document. And in terms of documents, Rule 132, Section 19, there are two classes of documents, public documents and private documents. Included in public documents are documents acknowledged before a notary public. Yung pinakitang document, acknowledged by a notary public. Pwede naman din private documents, that's the other class. If it is shown and authenticated in any of the following, the person saw the document executed or written. Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya? Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya? Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
We can,
No, please answer my question.
no, Your Honor.
Oh, the next manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. Defense said, ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that? Defense said, ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that? Defense said, ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
Okay, and the third, by other evidence showing its due execution and authenticity, did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. They're trying to prove something by showing a document that any law student, even yung mga kaya natin na nakikinig na ngayon na ang dami ng alam,